Hey guys, Jesse101 here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're yet again in our tutorial world, because we're looking at tutorial number 11, server crates. So yeah, basically I've made a server crate system using crate keys. So as you can see here, when I open this chest, it says put crate key in the middle. And if we try to get any of these blocks, it just won't work. So these are actually red stained glass panes, and I've used a resource pack by the name of Lucas's Java Parity Pack to make it look like this. You can find it on MCPDL, and I'll leave a link in the description for it. Okay, so let's get into it. So these are my crate keys. I've made a common, a rare, and a legendary crate. So if I put the common crate key in here, it plays a sound effect, it shows particles, and we get a reward. So let's put the rare one in. Same thing happens. And yeah, and you get different rewards for every type of crate. Also, for each type of crate, there is, over here, these are the rewards. So there's 3 different type of rewards you can get for every single crate. Obviously, if you were to make your own crate system, you'd probably make a lot more rewards to choose from, but as this is an example, I'm just doing 3 rewards. So let's see if we can get the rewards for each type of crate. Let's see if we can get all 3 rewards for each type of crate. So there we go. As you can see, we're getting some different rewards. So yeah, you can get a variety of things from this crate, from these crates, I must say, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, if you try, for an example, if you try using your diamonds or netherite as a crate key, because these are crate keys, the rare and the legendary crate key, it won't actually work. And even if you're smart and you think you'll rename it, I'll just give myself some XP real quick. I might get a little bit more. There we go. For example, if we name this rare crate key, and then we try using the crate, it won't work. So you can see that this diamond has the same name as this diamond right here, but it actually won't work. However guys, if we use this command instead to give ourselves a diamond, and then we rename it to rare crate key, unlike the other one, this one actually works as a crate key. As you can see right there. So yeah, this is really cool, as even people in regular survival worlds, for example, can't use their own diamonds to act as actual crate keys. So yeah. Also guys, a lot of people who watch my content aren't actually subscribed, so if you do like my videos and you want to see more tutorials and things like this in the future, feel free to subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later if you want to. It's free. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, let's get into the commands. First things first guys, this system revolves around a scoreboard. So first of all, you need to add the crate scoreboard with dummy crate. And between these brackets is what you want it to be displayed as. And then, if you want to display it to the side like I've done here, it's not necessary, but you can do it if you really want to. You can do scoreboard objectives, set display, sidebar crate. So yeah, those ones are really important, make sure you do that. And the second thing right here, okay, so here comes the interesting part guys. This is how you make the actual crate keys. So I would recommend giving yourself an item but with a data value of like 100 or something. Because usual diamonds have like for example, why regular diamonds weren't working before is because the regular diamonds you usually get in your world has a data value of 0. Whereas if you give yourself like an emerald with a data value of 100, or a diamond as a data value of 100, etc., then people won't actually be able to bypass the system and use their own items that they've renamed to actually bypass the system. So yeah, I would recommend giving yourself one of these, and as I showed you guys before, you can also name it in an anvil if you want it to say rare crate key, common crate key, etc. So I'll quickly go over these commands. For the emerald, I'm giving myself and give the nearest player, which is myself, an emerald, 1 emerald, so that's a count, and with a data value of 100. Whoops. And then for the rare crate key, it's just a diamond, 1 diamond with a data value of 100. Then the legendary crate key, 1 netherite ingot with the data value of 100 again. Okay, so first of all guys, we need to have some commands to reset the crate. So on repeating always active unconditional on 0 ticks, we need to do clear at A, the X coordinate, the Y coordinate, the Z coordinate, and a range of 10, stained glass pane 14. So basically 14 is the data value of a red stained glass pane, and these are the coordinates of where the player is. So where the chest is, sorry, the crate. So -4, 5, -28, which are the same coordinates in this actual command block. So it's testing for players around this crate within a distance, like a range of 10. So if they do clear red stained glass, so if people try to take this out, then it will simply just clone this chest right here to the -4, 5, -28 coordinates, which as you can see is right here. So -5, -4, 5, -28 is the coordinates of the crate, and that's where it gets cloned. And basically the ~1, ~1, basically the middle coordinate for both of these sections means up 1 block, up 1 Y position, so it's 1 position up from this command block, so it clones this. Okay guys, now for the actual crate bit. I'll just go over the common crate key in depth, and then I'll quickly go over the rare and legendary crate key. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so as you can see, when I open this chest, it has a common crate key in the middle, and it has the red stained glass surrounding it. So basically it's detecting if the block above this command block, so these are the coordinates of the block above the command block, 1 Y position above, as you can see here, so ~1, ~1, and then this is the block that they are checking that it matches. So if this right here matches this chest right here, which is at the coordinates 4, 5, -8, which is also written as the destination, then it will activate the comparator signal. And then basically it will tag all players around the crate in a range of 10 with the crate tag. So yeah, as explained before, these coordinates -4, 5, -28 is the position of the actual chest, so it will be different in your world. And yeah, range equals 10, so that also means 10 blocks around the chest. And then you want to set that block to air, and the reason you want to do that is so they get out of the chest GUI like this, and then it displays the common crate message, if you know what I mean, like the title screen message. And yeah, and then this is the very important part. Then you want to set block at -13 for -35 to a redstone block. So basically, -13 for -35 is over here in the rewards area. So right here in the common rewards area, it's -13 for -35. And when the redstone block gets set here, it gets set to where? And then, these are the actual rewards, guys. Okay guys, so basically for the rewards, you need to first of all randomize the scoreboard objectives for crate for all players from 1 to 3. And then you want to play a particle at -4, 6, -28, which is right here, -4, 6, -28. It's one block above the chest so the particles can be seen more easily, and yeah. Then after that, okay, yeah, and this one is just impulse and needs redstone, unconditional, 0 ticks. This is also conditional, always active, 0 ticks. And yeah, then after playing the particle, you want to play sound random.level up to all players within these coordinates, and their tags need to have crate, and it'll play it to one player. So C equals 1 means count equals 1. So basically the closest player to these coordinates, the closest player to the actual crate, will get the sound played to them. And also you need this on unconditional this time, so not conditional, always active, and 0 ticks. And yeah, so the rest of these are all unconditional, by the way. And this one is the title. So you'll title at A within the coordinates of the crate, and the tag equals crate, and count equals 1. So only one player. Then you'll title common crate. And yeah, this is unconditional, always active, 0 and ticks. And this one you want to, oh yeah, so this is an interesting part, guys. This one, if the scores equals crate, if the scores of the crate scoreboard is equal to 1 for the person who's tagged crate, it will clone this. It will clone this chest, which is the first two coordinates, -13 for -33, -13 for -33. So that's the coordinates of the chest you're cloning to, and the destination is the last coordinate. So the first two coordinates are the coordinates of the chest that you're cloning, and the final coordinate is the chest, is where you're cloning a chest to. So basically, if the crate equals 1, you want to clone the block at -13 for -33, -13, and you just put that twice. You want to clone that chest to the final destination at the crate. So -13 for -33 is right here. So this chest right here. So number 1 for the number 1 crate, and that's the coordinates for it. So if the crate were to equal to 1 through the randomization, this crate right here would get cloned, if it was a common crate, that is. And then the next one is this, and you can see it's 1 Y value above because I put it 1 block above the other chest. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. And boom. So -13.5, -33, which is this chest right here, number 2. And if you wanted to, you could just stand on the chest to get its exact coordinates. I already know the coordinates of these exactly because I was making the system, because I made the system whilst I wrote these commands. But for example, if you wanted to find your chest, you literally just need to stand on top of it. So that's -13 for -31, and those are your coordinates. So you'll just write those coordinates in for your first two coordinates. So the first two coordinates right here, -13.5, -33, and -13.5, -33. Those two coordinates are the position of the chest that you want to clone. And the last one, which is -4.5, -28, is where you want the chest to be ultimately cloned to. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. And then the third one is just the third crate right here. And as you can see again, it's -13.6, -33, -13.6, -33. So those two coordinates are the same because it's the singular position of one chest, and it's been cloned to -4.5, -28. So as you can see, -13.6, -33 is this chest right here. So as you can see to the left of the screen, my coordinates say -13.6, -33, and that's the same as this command right here, -13.6, -33, and yeah, that's a reward. So this was also the second crate reward for the common crate if you are interested. And then finally, you just need to remove the crate tag from all players that have the crate tag. So yeah, that's just the command for that. And yeah, and now for the last bit, this is to detect if the common crate is empty. So basically it's just a empty common crate. So the name is common crate right here, and it tests for blocks again 1Y position above the command block to see if it's equal to the crate right here. And if it is equal to the crate right here, it'll clone the chest at -7, 5, -34, -7, 5, -34. It will clone a chest right here, these coordinates, to over there. And that chest is this chest. So essentially it'll just be reset. So as you can see, this is -7, 5, -34, and in the command those coordinates are used twice. And then -4, 5, -28 is the final destination once more. So yeah, it's pretty good, guys. Pretty good system. And also, guys, you need to remember to name the crate correctly, like rare crate, common crate, etc., for this to actually work, because I don't think it will actually detect it properly if your chest names are different. Okay, so I'll quickly show you the commands and everything for the rare and legendary crates as well, but yeah, it's pretty much the same. So the rare, to detect key, it's just like this, and boom, boom. Oh yeah, and these two ones are conditional, always active. I forgot to mention that, but make sure it's conditional and always active. Yep, so then a redstone blocks get set at -11, 4, -35, which is right here. And yeah. Yeah. And this one is also conditional, always active, and the rest are unconditional. And everything's on 0 ticks, guys. There we go. There we go. And there we go. And just in case you're interested, guys, here are the rewards for the rare crates. And obviously, guys, you can randomize from like 1 to 10, for example, if you wanted 10 different rewards. And you could also have 10 different like clone commands if you wanted to do 10 different if you did want to do 10 different possible rewards or something like that. I just did 3 to make this to make it not super massive, but yeah, you could always do something like that if you were making a really big crate system. And yeah, so this is the detecting if the rare crate is empty. Yet again, it's just a rare crate which is empty, and this is the command, and this is the command here as well. So it's cloning the same chest over here to there again. And finally, the legendary crate, you detect the key above right here, and then you want to tag all players within the distance, within the proximity of the actual crate, with the crate tag, always active, conditional. And yeah, this set block command just sets the crate to air in the middle. And yeah, then this activates rewards. -9, 4, -35, -9, 4, -35 is right here as well. So yeah, set block 1, 1 air, tilde, tilde 1, tilde air. And yeah, pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, so these ones are also different coordinates based on the rewards for the legendary crates. These are the legendary crate key rewards. And it works with like enchanted stuff and special items. I just didn't really do it in this example, but yeah. Did I show this one as well? Yeah, just remove the crate at the end. And then finally, guys, you just need to detect that it's empty using this command, this, and yeah, make it unconditional, always active, and then also this. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you'd like to see more content like this in the future, feel free to subscribe. And yeah, that's basically it. Have a nice day, guys, and I'm out. See ya!